HIMS closed the session of Friday, the 6th of March 2026, with a gain of 37.59%. This is down to the news that it may have rekindled its partnership with Novo Nordisk to distribute weight loss drugs through its platform. The announcement is particularly striking because it appears to resolve a prior dispute between the two companies, which had previously been at odds over the marketing and availability of compounded GLP-1 medications. Now, what was once seen as a competitive standoff has seemingly transformed into a potentially powerful distribution collaboration. For the market, the shift represents a major narrative change. Rather than competing against pharmaceutical giants, the company could now be positioned as a digital health distribution channel for one of the world's leading obesity drug manufacturers. The news has ignited intense speculation about a potential short squeeze, but caution is warranted. The company has been one of the most heavily shorted healthcare stocks, with nearly 40% of the float reportedly sold short. Many of those bearish positions were built on the assumption that regulatory pressure, competition from major drug makers, and uncertainty around compounded GLP-1 drugs would continue to weigh on the company. However, this unexpected partnership announcement dramatically alters that thesis. Because the news broke in the weekend, yes, in the post-market session, short sellers have had limited opportunity to adjust their positions, leaving many traders speculating that a wave of forced short covering could occur when the market reopens on Monday the 9th. If bullish momentum and retail participation accelerates simultaneously, the result could be sharp upside volatility. It could or it may not be. Remember as well that it is these short sellers. Some of them have access to the pre-market session. So, and indeed, of course, those who may want to squeeze them also have that equal access. So we can't conclude that that is what may happen. It has already run up. It has already run up a gain of 7.59%. I would say expect a pullback to even happen. Don't expect for the expansion to happen. Expect a pullback to happen. Maybe in the regular session, if retail hands, because retail hands are now powerful these days. If they galvanize together, they might you know force it back to even maybe beyond, or reverse any profit taking that might occur. You know. So that's what's going on right now. So the stock, yes, the news came out suddenly in the post market session, and you can see here, this is the daily chart. It wasn't expecting that, but in any case, it was to some extent it was expecting that something might happen, given this upper projections it has here. The stock is currently trading at 21.85. It has actually exceeded these projections, 21.85. It has exceeded these projections, so it's somewhere around here. Let's see, 21.85 will be somewhere here. Yeah, 21.84, somewhere around here. Yeah, 21.85. Yeah, somewhere around here. And the probability that it would have before the market, yes, as of yesterday, the probability that it would do so was very, very, very high, very high, very high. Yeah. Okay. The 4-hour chart has reflected what is going on right now. This is that expansion, and it's saying that we should expect a consolidation on Monday. Then after that, some profit taking towards Tuesday. Then after that, the uptrend may resume. Yeah. Okay, so it's not expecting, the algos are not expecting that profit taking would really occur, not anytime soon. They're actually saying that yes, it may sustain this, it may sustain the strength going into Tuesday. It may continue to rally from Monday and towards Tuesday. So okay, that's a positive, but I would even still say that caution is warranted. There's a chance that they may still want to, they may still, they may pull the rug on the stock. And so these are the things you have to anticipate that may happen. Yeah. So the extrapolation is saying that yes, it will resume. The uptrend may resume. It's a positive. It's a positive. It's a positive. So going back to the narrative, why the partnership matters strategically. If confirmed, okay, it hasn't been confirmed and fully implemented, the collaboration could provide several major advantages. Legitimized GLP-1 access through branded pharmaceutical channels rather than compounded alternatives, expanded patient reach by leveraging HIMS and has a large telehealth subscriber base, recurring prescription revenue through its subscription-driven healthcare platform, improved regulatory positioning by aligning with a leading drug maker. In essence, the company could transition from being perceived as a disruptive challenger to becoming a digital distribution partner within the pharmaceutical ecosystem. Long-term growth narrative. Beyond the immediate trading frenzy, investors are increasingly focused on long-term growth opportunity in GLP-1 and peptide-based therapies. Demand for obesity treatments has surged globally, with GLP-1 drugs widely regarded as one of the most significant pharmaceutical breakthroughs in decades. Analysts expect the global obesity drug market to reach tens of billions of dollars annually within the next several years. For the company, this trend aligns closely with its core business model: direct to consumer health care access, personalized treatment plans, subscription based digital medical services. By integrating GLP-1 medications and potentially future peptide therapies into its platform, the company could position itself as a major digital gateway for weight loss and metabolic health treatments. Coming back to the chart, let's see whether it printed an intraday high. We did all there, 22.40. Yes, it printed an intraday high. It's could pull back from those levels. It may well retest that. It may well retest that. So this is a positive. This is a positive, but just know that the ship has sailed. Indeed, there's a chance that it may expand further, given that it happened in the post-market session. But I would say yes, the ship has sailed. Unfortunately, yes, it has sailed. Expect a pullback to happen. It may well expand, but we have here on the chart here, it's saying that it might contract by the close of Tuesday's trading session. Then, if it does that, maybe an opportunity to get in may come back in, may open up. Yeah. Okay. Let's see now. This is 23.31. The probability of it retesting that is also slightly higher than 50%. Encouraging. What of 24.5, 24.57, equally high as well, higher than 50%. What of 25.53, equally higher than 50%. Yeah, these are positives. Yeah, and it had the pivotal. It has a pivotal upper projection not in play right now. 26.35, equally higher than 50%. So statistically, it is looking good. But one more time, yeah, the ship has sailed. Just the ship has sailed. Yeah, the fact that it came in the post market session really doesn't change the fact that it has expanded. So caution is surely warranted. Caution is surely warranted. Yeah, it may not be the best. It may not be the best thing to do, to buy the stock. If it doesn't pull back. Yeah, I know it may still expand, but yes, just wait for it to pull back to happen. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.